Welcome to the month of May, a month of miracles, a month of answered prayers, a month where heaven touches earth. Speak these declarations over your life and believe. Let your faith rise as you receive every word. 1. May is my month of divine breakthrough. Nothing will hold me back. 2. Every door that was closed in April, God is opening in May. 3. I am surrounded by supernatural favor everywhere I go. 4. No harm shall come near my family. God's protection covers us. 5. This month peace flows through my heart and mind like a river. 6. Provision will find me, even from unexpected places. 7. Good news is chasing me down. I will testify this May. 8. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Not now, not ever. 9. I am rising above every challenge. I am more than a conqueror. 10. My May will be filled with divine testimonies. 11. I speak healing over my body, my heart, and my spirit. 12. God is fighting battles I don't even see. I will rest in Him. 13. There will be no lack in my life, only overflow. 14. This month God will guide my every step. No more confusion. 15. Everything stolen from me, joy. Peace time is being restored. 16. Delays are over. Acceleration is coming to my destiny. 17. This will be a month of laughter, not tears. 18. I will see visible progress in my dreams, goals, and prayers. 19. God is turning my pain into power, my trials into triumph. 20. I boldly declare, May is the month I step into my destiny. Type Amen to seal these declarations. Save this prayer and share it with 3 people you love, because your May miracle has already begun.